Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Drive and OneDrive on Samsung Galaxy. Let's begin. First, you want to go into the settings, scroll down a little, and go to Accounts and Backup. In here, manage accounts, and you want to make sure that you are logged into a Google account and also a OneDrive account, also known as simple Microsoft account. Then you want to leave it and you want to locate your files. For the Samsung, it's usually the My Files right here, and by default it should be inside the Samsung folder. So let's go here. And as you can see here, we have all our storage, and if we scroll down, we should see the internal storage and also OneDrive and Google Drive, currently not signed in. So let's start with the Google Drive. We simply click it, and after a moment we should be able to continue. And as you can see now, we have a nice looking Google Drive with our from our account, and we can use that just like we would on our internal storage, with exception of having to be connected to an internet. And the same thing goes with the OneDrive. You can simply click it. We need to sign in anyway. That's sad. So I'm going to input my Gmail here, and then let me quickly input my password as okay, I didn't misspell anything, which is nice. And now we simply hit accept. And as you can see, the OneDrive is already done. And just like that, we also have all our files on the OneDrive. Of course, if you are a first-time user, then your Google Drive and OneDrive probably should be empty, which is understandable, but once again, you can easily use them just like you would use your normal internal storage. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.